Hey everyone. Okay, so up next, we are going to talk about the Silky powder. Okay, so this is a powder that can be used alone if you just want to put it on your, with no foundation or no CC cream. Okay, so it can be used alone or it can be used on top of a foundation or a CC cream. Okay, so basically, this is really great for oily skin. Okay, and it is a loose powder. It is tinted. There's 12 shades. Okay, so we can find the shade that works best, for you. But what I like about this powder versus what we've had before is that it gives you a very smooth, silky, um, almost like an airbrushed look. And that's what I love about it. Okay, so it doesn't have, any parabens in it, any oil in it. It doesn't have any of that. Okay, so it's very very good for your skin, and it gives you that light coverage. Okay, that you're kind of looking for to kind of set the look. Okay, so it can, like I said, you can use it without, like just on its own for like a real minimalist look, or it can be a setting powder, if you will, on top of your CC cream. Okay, and so and another thing I like about it is sometimes, like our powders before, what I found was that it would kind of settle in the lines and it would kind of make me a little bit dry and flaky. This, it doesn't. It's a silky powder, so your face feels, soft and silk and moisturized, and I don't know. It just, but I say that, and in the same breath, I'm telling you that if you're oily skinned, it's going to be great because it is a loose powder, and the fine particles will help absorb the oil. Okay, but by doing that, it's not going to make you go on the opposite side of oiliness and make you dry. Does it make sense? So okay, so let's just kind of show you. Let me show you how I use this product. So in the container, this is actually medium ivory. This is the color that I'm using, and I actually wear light to medium CC cream just for reference. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake it like this, and so it'll kind of get it, in the actual cap. You can use having the cap or on the lid. There's a great little click mechanism. You can open and close the powder, and so it doesn't get all over the place whenever you're transferring and stuff. So there is a close feature on there. Okay, I like to use my all over powder brush for using the Silky powder. That is the application tool. Okay, and so another thing is let me just show you. Let me just go, instead of talking, I'll just show you. So I'm gonna dab it in here, then I'm gonna tap it. Okay, tap the excess off. Okay, so it's here. Then if you have oily skin, okay, you're gonna press it. You're gonna press. Okay, kind of like a rolling mechanism. Oh, you can kind of see it, but I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, what I don't do is just like that. Okay, because with that, I mean, you can do it that way. Okay, so let me clarify what I'm saying. If you want to just dust it on, you don't want a lot, you want a very really light look, you can dust it on. This side, I was showing you more of if you have oily skin and you're really wanting to get it, good in the, to like help with the oil, then you're going to take it and you're going to just kind of roll it. So that's kind of the difference. Okay, so on one side I just kind of dusted it, and on one side I actually, so I let it sit in a whole lot deeper than just like a dust. Does that make sense? But can y'all just see a difference? Now before, all I had on was a little bit of CC cream, and now I just have like a very lightweight finished look. Okay, with no shine, and it's kind of like camera ready. It's like a flawless look. So this is the Silky powder. It's really great. If you have not tried it yet, we can match your color according to your foundation and according to your CC cream. It's $20. So it's a really great, it lasts a really long time. Again, you can use it alone or you can use it on top of and use it more of a setting powder on top of your CC cream or your foundation. And so that's the uses of the Silky powder, okay? And so it's again, it's very lightweight, and it really does so like a lot of times people feel like when they use the powder it makes like it thicker, and their face kind of feels dry from it. That's the difference. I don't feel that at all. And so that's what I like about it. It's lightweight. My face still feels very smooth. It doesn't feel heavy. And so, but it just gives you like a finish. Okay. And so Mary Kay Silky powder. So if you haven't tried it, now's the time. Now's the time to go ahead and give it a try. So get with your consultant. Bye everyone.